My name is Mr. James Carter. I am 26 years old, and today is my first day as a teacher. I stand in front of the classroom, holding a whiteboard marker. My hands shake. The room smells like old books and chalk. I hear students laughing in the hallway. They do not know me yet. I hope they will like me. The bell rings. Students walk into the room. Some smile. Some look at their phones. A boy in a red hat sits in the front row. His name is Tom. He whispers to his friend, "Is this the new teacher?" I smile and say, "Yes, Tom. I am Mr. Carter." Tom's eyes widen. He did not expect me to know his name. The classroom has 20 desks. The walls are blue. There are posters of animals and maps. I write my name on the board. "Good morning," I say. "Today, we talk about stories." A girl in the back row raises her hand. "Why do we need stories?" she asks. Her name is Anna. She wears glasses and a yellow dress. "Stories help us learn," I say. "They show us how to be brave, kind, or strong." Anna nods. Tom rolls his eyes. "Stories are boring," he says. I sit on the edge of my desk. "What is not boring?" I ask. Tom shrugs. "Video games," he says. "They have action." I smile. "Let's make a story with action," I say. The class leans forward. We spend the morning writing a story about a dragon. Tom suggests the dragon should breathe fire. Anna says the dragon needs a friend. A quiet girl named Lily draws a picture of the dragon. She never speaks, but her art is beautiful. When the bell rings, I feel happy. Maybe teaching is not so hard. The next week, Lily still does not speak. She sits alone at lunch. I ask her, "Do you like to draw?" She nods. I give her a sketchbook. "Draw anything you want," I say. The next day, she shows me a picture of a forest. The trees are tall. The colors are bright. "It's amazing," I tell her. She smiles a little. Tom teases Lily sometimes. "Why don't you talk?" he says. I stop him. "Lily's art speaks for her," I say. Tom frowns but stops laughing. Anna helps me pass out papers. She is smart but shy. "You're good at stories," I tell her. She blushes. "Thank you, Mr. Carter." One afternoon, dark clouds cover the sky. The students are restless. A loud thunderclap shakes the room. Lily jumps. Her sketchbook falls. Papers fly everywhere. Tom laughs. "Scaredy cat," he says. I kneel beside Lily. "Are you okay?" I ask. She nods but looks afraid. The class grows quiet. Anna says, "My mom says storms are like big fireworks." I smile. Yes. They're loud, but they pass. We close the curtains. The room feels cozy. I turn on the lights. "Let's write about storms," I say. Tom groans. "Not another story." But Anna raises her hand. "What if the storm has a secret?" she asks. "Like a magic door in the clouds?" The class loves the idea. Even Tom writes 3 pages. Lily draws a door in the sky with a golden key. On the last day before winter break, the students give me gifts. Anna writes a poem about dragons. Tom draws a comic where the dragon beats a video game villain. Lily gives me her sketchbook. Inside is a picture of our class. We're all smiling. "You're the best teacher," Anna says. Tom shrugs. "Your stories aren't too bad," he says. I laugh. Over break, I think about the class. Teaching is hard, but it's worth it. When we return, the school plans a talent show. Anna wants to read her poem but is scared. "What if I forget the words?" she asks. "Practice," I say, "and I'll be in the front row." Tom says he'll perform a magic trick. "I'll make a pencil disappear," he says. I help him practice. Lily signs up to draw live on stage. She will paint a sunset while the choir sings. The night of the show, the gym is full. Anna's voice shakes but she finishes her poem. Tom's magic trick makes everyone laugh when the pencil disappears into his sleeve. Lily paints a sunset so vivid, even the judges wipe their tears. After the show, Lily hands me a new drawing. It's the class again, but this time we're standing under the sunset she painted. "You're part of our story now," Anna says. I keep the drawing on my desk. June arrives too fast. The classroom feels different. The desks are emptier as students clean out their lockers. Tom drops a crumpled paper. "Forgot this," he says. It's his dragon comic. "Keep it," I tell him. He grins. Maybe next year's teacher will think I'm cool. Anna hugs me. "Will you teach us again?" she asks. "No, but I'll visit, I promise." Lily leaves a small envelope. Inside is a key, the one from her storm drawing. "For the magic door," she whispers. I sit alone after they leave. The room is quiet. I think about the first day, the storms, the talent show. Teaching isn't just about stories. It's about the people in them. The next year, I walk past the school. A new teacher struggles with a noisy class. I smile. Through the window, I see Anna helping a shy student. Tom's voice booms, "Let's write a story." Lily sits quietly, sketching. My phone buzzes. A text from Anna, "We miss you. Come visit." I type, "soon." The door is always open. I continue to teach for many years. Every class is different, but some things stay the same. Students laugh, ask questions, and sometimes forget their homework. I learn as much from them as they learn from me. One day, a former student visits. It's Anna. She's a writer now. "You inspired me," she says. Tom becomes a video game designer. He sends me a game where dragons solve puzzles. Lily becomes an artist. Her paintings hang in galleries. She mails me a sunset painting with a note, "Thank you for seeing my voice." Teaching is not easy. Some days are long. Some students are challenging. But every morning, I walk into the classroom, write my name on the board, and remember why I'm there. Stories matter. People matter. And the magic door? I still have the key.